Meet Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Engineered by Google with AI controlled by you. On video, you get Video Boost for a smoother view. Night sight in the dark. Less distracting audio. In real tone, so you look like you. It does amazing things, so you can capture the cosmos, create the right light, zoom in, make the mini mega. Or swap this, and yeah, that too. Nice. Photos made perfect with a tap. Want more control? Shoot with pro-level tools modeled after DSLR controls. Or reimagine an image with Magic Editor from Google Photos. While you're out there taking great pics, Titan M2, Tensor G3, and a built-in VPN help keep your info secure. And Safety Check has your back. Turn it on. Then we'll text emergency contacts if you can't tap in. And cool, you're home. It doesn't just keep you safe, it saves you time. Summarizing web pages, screening calls, even holding for you. It'll make you wonder, can a phone be made of magic? Nope, it's AI. And that's kind of our thing.